Come with me to make a cinematic vlog in Chicago, Illinois. Hey guys, how's it going? I'm out here in Chicago testing out the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. We're gonna get some really cool footage here, and yeah, so far it's been a great trip. I have several tips for you on how to make your vlog more cinematic, so join me on this journey, learn a little bit along the way, hit the subscribe button, and let's get into it. Can we talk about the architecture in Chicago? I have been walking downtown and it is beautiful morning to night. I didn't get to explore too much, but I found a coffee shop I can highly recommend. It is Mojo Coffee. If you're downtown, definitely check them out. You can't go wrong. I went in for breakfast and had an amazing latte and avocado toast. I love all the natural light that comes in the giant windows. It is honestly a great place to film with your Osmo. My first tip to shooting cinematic vlogs is to film at a high frame rate during the day. I tend to jump between 50 and 60 frames per second on the Osmo. You can capture some nice slow motion clips that showcase the scenes around you. Try to film several of your activities or B-roll at sunrise or sunset. This is a great time to film. You can take advantage of the sky and the longer shadows to create a more dynamic shot. If you know Nobu Sushi, you know how incredible it is. I was traveling by myself, so I figured I would take advantage and eat at the sushi bar. I had my Osmo with me and I knew I wanted to capture my visit. A good tip is to always ask if you are unsure or feel uncomfortable filming in the restaurant. I asked the sushi chef in front of me if he cared if I filmed a couple shots of him making my sushi. He was all for it. So much so, he started torching my sushi and put on a great show. An amazing experience and of course very delicious. My next tip is to film at nighttime. Chicago's downtown is beautiful at night. I think the architecture really shines at night. This is a great opportunity to showcase all the lights in a city. My last tip is to record some of your audio on location and record the rest at home. A bonus in doing it this way is your audio is going to be much cleaner. Awesome, well thank you so much for joining me in Chicago. I hope you learned something. Share some of your own tips in the comment section below. Please like this video and subscribe as it helps my channel grow. Until next time, peace.